Ill! Is that really what I sound like? Relax, you are not alone. Almost everyone hates their recorded voice. It is called voice confrontation, and it happens because of how sound travels. When you speak, you hear your voice through the air and through your skull bones. This dual pathway helps you recognize your own voice. Your bones make your voice sound deeper, richer, and more bass-heavy inside your head. But a recording only picks up the air sound, so it sounds higher and whiny. It is literally like seeing a photo of yourself from a bad angle. Feels wrong. Your brain expects the deep version, so the real version feels like an imposter. Don't worry, other people are used to the high version. Only you think it is weird. Do you cringe at your voice notes? Tell me below and subscribe.